In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under labor market and unemployment. So we are going to focus on the supply of labor. We have about 13 to 14 questions to practice in the video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, a change from one industry to another by a worker is an example of where professional advancement, vertical mobility, we have geographical mobility, horizontal mobility. So guys, a change from one industry to another by a worker is an example of horizontal mobility. Option D. Next question is this one. It says, what is meant by labor supply? Number of men and hours they work, number of men in working population, number of workforce multiplied by the hours they work, number of hours during which the middle-aged persons work. The right answer is option C, number of workforce multiplied by the hours they work. The next question is this one. It says, mobility of labor is higher when we have alternative jobs in the same location, no alternative job in the same location, is intense competition for jobs in the same location, is a monopoly of jobs in one location. So the right answer is option A, when there is alternative jobs in the same location. The next question, this one, it says, an increase in the supply of labor in a factory while other things remain equal will lead to a decrease in the wage rate and decrease in employment. No. An increase in wage rate and increase number of people employed. No. An increase in wage rate and decrease in employment. No. A decrease in wage rate and an increase in employment. Yes, the right answer is option D. The next question is this one. It says, the quality of labor force in Nigeria can be improved by establishing more skills acquisition centers, encouraging the study of science and technology, establishing more tertiary institutions, creating sufficient job opportunities. Right answer is option A. So the quality of labor force in Nigeria can be improved by establishing more skills acquisition centers. Next question is this one. It says, which of the following factors may not affect the efficiency of labor? We have race and color of workforce, professional welfare services, education and training, quality of other factor improved. The right answer is option A, which is an exception that will not affect the efficiency of labor, race and color of workforce. Next question is this one. It says, if the supply curve of labor market is given as this equation, what is L when x equals 20? So guys, this is simple arithmetic. So when you substitute the values, when x is 20, so you make L subject formula 8 will cross over, it will now be 20 minus 8 equals 4L. So 20 minus 8 will give you 12. So you divide both by 4. So 12 divided by 4, the output is 3. So your L will be 3, option D. The next question is this one. It says, the migration of young people from rural to urban areas in Nigeria should help to raise the standard of living in the urban areas. Marginal productivity of labor in the rural areas, total productivity in the rural areas, marginal productivity of labor in the urban areas. So it will help to raise the marginal productivity of labor in the urban area. Option D. That's the right answer. Next question is this one. It says, labor force of the country is determined by asset distribution of the population, geographical distribution of the population, age structure of the population, number of people available for work. Right answer is option D, number of people available for work. Okay. Right, next question is this one. It says, number of people who are qualified to work and who offer themselves for employment are called labor number, migrant labor, mobility of labor, working population. So guys, the right answer to this question is option D, working population. Very important. Like guys, take note to this question. The next question is this one. The movement of a worker from Lagos to Abuja to continue the same work is known as geographical mobility of labor. Option A. That's the right answer, guys. Take note of this question. Okay. The next question is this one. It says, an upward review of the retirement age will affect the tax rate, wage rate, demand for labor, supply of labor. So guys, the right answer to this question is that an upward review of the retirement age will affect the supply of labor. Option D. Last question for end this video is this one. It says, the mobility of labor is mainly determined by real government policy, wage rate differentials, the age of workers. We have trade unions. So guys, the right answer is option B. Mobility of labor is mainly determined by wage rate differentials. Okay, so guys, this is basically going to do problems under labor market and unemployment. We dealt with the subtopic, the supply of labor, and practice with about 13 play questions in the video. Hope there's something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions as regarding what I talk about in the video, feel free to leave a question at the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that part of the channel membership by clicking the JAMB button, by getting premium information and help you to excel in your exams like your JAMB and other exams you'll be writing. If you haven't done this, click on the end screen and button. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.